Hello guys, welcome to YouTube series of data science and machine learning. So today we have done introduction of Python. So till now we have done introduction of Python and we are going to starting to dig deep in Python. So we are going to do data structures. So let's start with it. Lists. List is a type of data structure. The data structure is a collection of data elements that's structured in some way. For example, by numbering the examples, the number of basic structure of Python is the sequence. Okay, so the data structure of Python is sequence. It's stored in a sequence. Okay, let's start with examples. You learn more. Okay, you can read that. I will provide this link. So, list creation example. So how do we create a list? We have learned about lists in the previous videos, but it's we are just learning about it more and learning about this data structure more. Okay, so empty list. These are the brackets for list. You can see. Okay, then we are making another list giving string values 1, 2, 3, 4. This is called list of string. List 2, we are giving a list of integers. We are giving in list 3, we are giving list of lists. See, we are in square brackets. There are two more other square brackets. Okay, uh, list of lists, and we can give use different type of data in it also, like int, string, float, different data types. Okay, so we can just simply print list for or any list. Easy. Okay, this was simple example of list creation. Now length of list. We just created a list 1, 2, 3, 4 of string. Now we want to find its length. And it's just a simple keyword called len. Then we are giving it list as a parameter. Okay, parameter or argument. For anything which we write in a brackets, that is called parameter or arguments. Okay, we are giving list as a parameter and it gives us value. Similarly, we can do this also. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we run. Look, the length of the list changed as we changed its input. Okay, list append example. Append is a very useful keyword. It just appends the whatever we let's see the we created a list 1, 2, 3, 4. We write a statement list, which is we created list dot append. Dot append means it appends whatever in this bracket at the end of this string, at the end of this list. Okay, it appends or it adds that element at the end of that string. Okay, so this when we print list, it we get the appended list 5 with 5. Okay, list that's simple. Just these are just simple examples or simple concepts you can learn in just seconds. Okay, list insert examples. Insert is another keyword just like append. We create a list. We in insert in append we just need to give one parameter, that is what thing we want to append or what string, what int we want to append. Okay, only that we give here. But here in insert we have to give two parameters. One is at what index you want to insert and what element you want to insert. So look, list 1, 2, 4. We don't have 3 here and we want to insert it at index 2 as 0. 1 has index 0, 2 has index 1, 4 has index 2 currently, but we want to insert 3 at index 2 by our insert argument by our insert command. Okay, so we print list and we see the output that 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 has been inserted at index 2. Okay, so list remove example. uh, as simple as append or insert. We just have dot remove and we have two. It checks in the whole list where the 2 is, and it removes that element, or whatever you can say it, that removes 2 or that data type. Okay, now list append and extend example. Okay, this is just appending a list to another list. We can do that also. So we have one list 1 2 3 4 and another list 5 6. So we do list dot append list 2. It means we are appending list 2 to list 1. 5 6 will be added to list 1, not 4 elements to be added to list 2. We can do that, but in this example we are doing that. We are appending list 2 to list 1. Okay, let's dot append list 2. Parameter is list. Parameter is on the list. It can be a list. Okay, so we are doing a print list, and we are you can see thoroughly clearly that a list is appended to a list, not the elements. Okay, the whole list is appended, or you can say it is extended. Okay, the list is extended. Simple. So you if you want to remove these brackets, if you want just the elements of the list to be added, not the whole list to be added in another list, you can use a called you can use a keyword called extend. Okay, sorry, so append was appending or adding the list, and extend is adding those elements of the lists to other list. Okay, it's just simple. The list dot extend list 2, and elements of list 2 will be added to list which we have created. Okay, it's just pretty simple examples you can learn. Okay, so delete examples. It's also a very easy one. So we created a list. We actually what we do in delete is we just remove item based on index position. Okay, so we use the word or keyword del or whatever you can say it. It stands for delete list which we have created, and we have to give the index. We want index 1 to be deleted from the list, and we print the list. So what was index 1? This is index 0. 2 is index 1. So 2 should be removed from the output, and you can see that 2 is removed from the output here easily. Okay, you can see. Or we can use a pop is another keyword for deleting. Okay, so a is equals to list dot pop 1, and 2 is at index 1. This is we have given index to pop, and then we print a. Let me do it. So look, when we pop a, the three is okay. So list 101. Okay, so pop is, I think it has done some. Let's try it with 0. Okay. Oh yeah, it's indexing, but 0 1. When we do an index of 1, it should pop out 2. Let's try it another time. It's popping out 3. Okay, okay. So sorry. My bad. The list which we are running it now has already deleted its one element, the index number 1 element. So okay, now the 3 is at element element index 1. So sorry, I was thinking it was done some error. Okay, so it's pretty simple. When we use pop, it just deletes the element, and we can print that element. Okay, and then when we print its element, now 3 and 2 both are removed from the list. So now when we run print list, it will happen just 1 4 5, as 2 and 3 are removed. Okay, I hope you understand. So sorry for the confusion there. Okay, now list dot remove 3. Yeah, this is also a syntax that we can use. We can just directly give that element which we want to remove from the list, not the index. We can give element 2 by using dot remove. So when we use delete, we use index. When we use pop, we use index. But when we use remove, we use element. Okay. So list related keyword example. So keyword, I think I've taught you the in keyword. Okay. So let's see. We have created a list 1, 2, 3, 4 for 2 in list. That's true. 2 is in that list. So if is true, so it will print AI. Okay. If keyword not in 6 is not in list 6, not in is also true, as 6 is not in the list. That so it will print ML also. And as you can see, the output is it has printed both. It's just using in, not, and if examples in list. Okay, just to give you an idea. Okay, list reverse example. It's you can it's simple, just by the word also. Okay, list 1, 2, 3, 4, and when we use list dot reverse, it just reverse prints the list. Okay, it just reverses the whole list, whatever you give it in. Okay, so uh, it's enough for this lecture. We will do list sorting in another example. Okay, so thank you.